welcome. It's CJY Money Entertainment is back in the house, and it's Tech Tuesday. You see this smile? Because I got a box. Hi, honeybees. That's what I call my subscribers. And my subscribers know when they see a box, I'm happy because I get to open up the box with my knife. And I gotta see what's inside because this is from Amazon because we see the smile. I didn't order anything. And that means it's a gift. You gotta go bye-bye. You gotta go bye-bye. Okay, let's see. Ooh, there's a couple of things in here. There's a couple of things. Wow. Ooh, it's heavy. I don't have any idea what this is, but it's heavy. Is this? Oh, wow. There's a card in here, and it says, unscheduled giveaway. Wow, that's cool. From a place called EBL. And look what I got. Batteries. These are AA batteries. 32 batteries. Batteries. And they're alkaline too. So that's awesome. Let's move this. And I got something else. Let's put that aside. Oh, cool. Cool. Look what I just won. This is cool. A table, tripod, and you can move it to different positions. It's a hard plastic. Well, it has a push button here on the side, and I'm pretty sure that's the release button. This is it. And don't need that. And wow, there's a couple of things in here. I'm gonna push that box aside for right now. The bags. This right here, if you've never seen one of these before, this is the phone adapter to put on for your phone. So that's cool because I can use it for my phone. As the spring, and it has the protector of the phone. Oh, that is nice. So I got that. And then I got this. This looks like a selfie stick. Wow, it is. This is cool. It's nice and sturdy. It bends here. Has a nice plastic grip here. And it also, I'm noticing, the bottom has some kind of screw. It controls the screw to screw it in. This right here is a little knob to be able to adjust. This is nice. And it goes this small. Now, with the screw at the bottom here, let's see if it goes onto here, because if so, now I would have been able to, let me check it out first, make this taller. Yes. Wow, this is great. And now I got something else. It's in the bag. Wow. Okay, what is this? Let's see. These look like all kinds of adapters. This is a bag. Oh, okay. Right here is the remote. And I've talked about this on my equipment for beginners. If you're taking a selfie because you're into Instagram, you can put your phone there, or you can put your selfie stick, and you could be in a distance and hit it. And these are good because it also does Android and iOS. So, if you have an iPhone, it will work. If you have an Android, it will work because it's Bluetooth compatible. So I got this too. And then I got adapters. This right here looks like it's an adapter for a camera. And this, I've never seen this before. This looks like it's some form of tool to tighten or adjust some form of a bolt. Totally cool. This looks like another extension. I'll have to figure these out. Thank you so much, EBL, for this surprise giveaway. Throw your likes up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button because you want to be a honeybee.